Okay guys, so for this last video showing a combination image, it's going to look a little bit different. So what I've done is I've already gone into my Paint program and I've uploaded an image from some time ago. You can see it's coming out really large. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to View and Zoom out. So now we can see, oh yes, it was a wonderful image from last year when it got really ugly around here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I don't want, obviously, I don't know, I just don't want the trash can in this picture. There's a lake back here. I'll probably get rid of this. So I really just want a kind of nice little image of the winter scene. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to crop this photo something like that. There we go. So I'm going to crop it. That's just drag and click. Boop. Now it's cropped. Now that's the image that I'm going to use. You can see it's still pretty large, 3989 by 1121. That means really this image is very big. Now that makes it maybe a little bit too big to put onto the site. So I'm gonna resize it. Just click resize, and I'm gonna drop it down by about 40%. Okay, and that's gonna shrink it to that. Now I can see down here my pixel size 1596 by 449. So that'll make a pretty decent size for like a what do you call it, a header or something, featured image, whatever. So now I'm going to save this. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to save. I'm going to call it, I don't know, winter of 2014. Okay, now I've got to go up here and save it to my desktop, Content Trader. Okay, and we're going to save it in these images here. These are where I'm putting all the illustration images. Alright, I'm going to save that. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Microsoft Word document, because I just want to create kind of a snazzy, sort of weird, I don't know, strange kind of thing. I'm going to go to Word, and under Insert, I'm going to click on Pictures. I'm going to find this picture. I'm going to put it in here. Bear with me, this might take a little bit, a minute or two. Let's see, desktop. But you're going to see that in just a few minutes I'm going to create kind of a cool little picture. Oops, that's not where I want to go. Right here, bam. Yes, I have my own way of separating things up. Okay, so now Microsoft Word puts the picture in here, and here's kind of the cool thing. It allows me to do some artistic effects. Like, for instance, I can remove the background if I want to take some stuff out. You can do this on, like, if I want to just focus on the trees, and I can adjust that however I want. I don't think I want to do that, so I'm just going to say discard all changes. That's not what I want to do. An artistic effect that I really like is kind of giving it a, I don't know, what do you call the different styles that were used by various artists in the past, and for some reason it's moving rather slow in doing that. But these are various artistic effects that you can put on here. You can see they're kind of, as the cursor goes over, it changes them. One's blurred. This looks like it's kind of a bit of a watercolor painting on canvas, it looks like. This one gives it, oh, that's kind of cool. That gives it all kind of a broken up appearance, kind of a quirky, weird thing there. That's kind of surreal. That's kind of interesting. So, you know, you can see you can create all these. Now this, you know what, I like this one. That makes it look like a painting. That makes it look like maybe a French Impressionist painting, right? So I want to save this. I like this. I'm going to go with this. So now what I'm going to do, right click, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my Paint program. Now this time I'm going to open a new one. I'm going to go ahead and save this winter 2014 where it is. I like the sizing of it. But I'm going to open a new, and we're going to crop it down. Now we see the size on this, it is shrunk. I want to go at least 200 pixels for this because I want to be able to have it show up in social media, and under 200 it won't. So I'm going to increase this by just a little bit, say 150, and it's going to do it across the board. Boom, it makes it a little bit larger. Now my size is good. It's kind of an impressionist. We'll say as and we need to change this to a JPEG. So we'll save it as Winter 2014 Impressionist. Okay. Now all I have to do is go back and put it on the site. And that's going to be really simple. We'll get into all that later. For now, glad you came along for this quick image creation tutorial. I hope it helped. We're gonna maybe later on create something maybe a little snazzier, a little fancier. Just a quick one. Let's say I wanted to add a caption up here, right? I can choose, using Word, I can choose any thing I want up here. The size, we'll go Winter 2014. See that? Then I've got just this nice little whatever, and I could add. I can take another picture and put it over it. And just get as creative as you want. Have fun with it. The point is, as long as you save your changes as you go along, you're never going to get in any trouble. If you mess something up too bad, just go back to the original image and try something else. Go back and forth between your Word document and here. I mean, like I could have changed the color variations on this if I wanted. I could have gave it something like that. I could have corrected it, made it a softer contrast, a brighter contrast. Really, just about anything I want to do. Anyway, don't be afraid to have fun with it. Look forward to seeing all the new images you guys are going to create. Love reading the content that's going on here. Look forward to seeing the new content, and I wish you luck. If there's anything ever we can do to help you along, please feel free to contact us, drop us a line, let us know what you need, and we're going to do our absolute best to get it done. Welcome to Content Trader, a new way to sell content.